if you awaken from this illusion and you understand that black implies white, self implies other, life implies death, you can feel yourself not as a stranger in the world, not as something here on probation, not as something that has arrived here by fluke, but you can begin to feel your own existence as absolutely fundamental. What you are basically, deep, deep down, far, far in, is simply the fabric and structure of existence itself.
So, the first lucky guy is the number of order 10145. Congratulations.
Love it.
Okay. The second one is number of order 10144. Thank you guys.